burn a bay leaf in your house. The reason? You'll be amazed. We commonly use various herbs to savor our dishes without even assuming that these kitchen ingredients can also be used for other purposes as well. Take for instance, bay leaves. I bet not many of you know that the distinct smell these leaves provide has an incredibly soothing effect on the human body. Bay leaves have a century-long tradition of being part of natural medicine. Their exceptional medicinal properties such as strong anti-inflammatory and soothing properties were recognized and widely used even by the ancient Greeks. In addition, it was believed that bay leaves can support the treatment of epilepsy. Even today, many natural medicine practitioners acknowledge the amazing health benefits of bay leaves, which include reduction of hypertension, protection against insomnia and stress, as well as control over blood cholesterol levels. To reap the health benefits of bay leaves, you can add them to your meals when being cooked, or you can carefully light them in a heat-resistant bowl and let the aroma slowly spread around the house. Burning bay leaves is highly beneficial for relaxing your muscles, calming your mind and improving your mood. Bay leaves are also one of the most powerful cockroach repellents. If insects have invaded your kitchen or lawn, use bay leaves to repel them. You can hardly find a better solution because they are perfectly safe to use even around small kids or pets. Their powerful smell works wonders when it comes to repelling cockroaches or similar insects. The method is quite simple. Put some bay leaves in every corner of your house or garden. Since they are non-toxic, you can also use them in the kitchen where you store food. Although both dry and fresh bay leaves can be used for the purpose, dry ones are more effective because their smell is stronger,